A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to complex number. So see, question is solve the equation. Now question is solve the equation. Solve the equation. Equation is mod of z is equal to mod of z is equal to z plus 1 plus 2i plus 2i. Now see the solution. Solution is you have given mod of z is equal to z plus 1 plus 2i. Now we are going to consider z be any complex number such that z is equal to x plus iy for all x comma y belongs to real. Now mod of z, what we can write? Then root over x square plus y square is equal to, this is x plus iy plus 1 plus 2i. Now we have to calculate. So what result I will get in terms of x plus iy? Result will be root over x square plus y square is equal to x plus 1 plus y plus 2 with I. This is x plus 1 plus y plus 2i. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, result will be x square plus y square is equal to x plus 1 or plus iy plus 2. Or without squaring, we can compare this is x plus 1 because this is the square root part. This is always greater or equal to 0. So this is real. It cannot be imaginary. So we can equate its real part. Or y plus 2, what we can write? This is 0. So when you will solve this part, you will get x square plus y square is equal to x plus 1 whole square, or y is equal to minus 2. Now you can see this value is minus 2. So we can put here. So since x square plus y square result will be 4 is equal to, this is x plus 1 whole square, and here y is equal to minus 2, you know. So this one we have to solve. So x square plus 4 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, or y is equal to minus 2. So this part will cancel. So 2x result will be 3. And x result you will get x is equal to, you will get minus 3 by 2. Or y you will get minus 2. So answer is, we can write, we have to solve z. So z is equal to x plus I y. This implies we can write minus 3 by 2 plus minus 2i. So result is minus 3 by 2. This result will be 3 and this result will be 3 by 2. So this result will be 3 by 2 minus 2i. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now see. This is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is, if argument of z, or if next question, if mod of z plus 1, if mod of z plus 1 is equal to z plus 2 I plus 1, 1 plus I, then find z. Then find z. So see, now you know, let z is equal to x plus I y. Now z plus 1, x plus 1 plus iy mod is equal to x plus iy plus 2 plus 2i. Now this result we can write x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to x plus 2 plus I in bracket y plus 2. Similarly, we can equate, this is real part. So we have only equated its real part. So after equating real parts, what you will get the result? And after equating imaginary parts, this you will get y plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to minus 2. And x plus 1 whole square plus y square will be equal to x plus 2 whole square. And y result is minus 2. So x plus 1 whole square plus 4 is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Now see. Now you will see, after squaring, x square plus 1 plus 2x plus 4 is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x. This x square will cancel. So result will be, this is 5 plus 2x is equal to 4x plus 4. So this result will be 1 is equal to 2x. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So the answer, so z is equal to, you know, this is x plus iy. This implies we can write 1 by 2 minus 2i. For all 1 by 2 and minus 2 belongs to real. So this is the answer, equal to minus 2. Now see, this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 13 or question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, if argument of z minus 1 is equal to argument of z plus 3 is equal to argument of z plus 3, z plus 3i. This is z plus 3i. Now then find x minus 1 is to y, then find x minus 1 upon y, where z is equal to x plus iy. So see the solution. See the solution. Now z, since argument of z minus 1 is equal to argument of z plus 3i, and argument of this one we have to convert in a plus ib. So x minus 1 plus iy is equal to argument of x plus I plus 3i, iy means y plus 3, this will be I. Now this argument will be y upon x minus 1 is equal to y upon x minus 1 is equal to y plus 3 upon x. Now we have to simplify. After cross multiply, what you will get the result? After cross multiply, you will get yx is equal to x minus 1 y plus 3, and this one we can write xy plus 3x minus y minus 3. So this yx and xy will cancel. Now result, what we can write? We can write y is equal to 3x minus 3, and this implies 3 times x minus 1, and we have to calculate x upon y, x minus 1 upon y. So result will be x minus 1. Now here I am writing x minus 1 upon y. We can write 1 by 3. Now this is the answer. You can see. Now this question is totally completed. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question if z1 mod of z1 is equal to mod of z2 is equal to mod of z3 is equal to dash dash mod of zn is equal to 1, then show that mod of z1 plus mod of z2 plus mod of z3 mod of z1 plus z2 plus z3 up to plus zn is equal to mod of 1 upon z1 plus mod of 1 upon plus 1 upon z2 plus 1 upon z3 up to plus 1 upon zn. So this is our proof. We have to prove. Now see, this is our proof. So see the solution. We have the question mod of z1, mod of z2, mod of z3, result is 1. So we have to prove this result. So see, this one means z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus up to plus zn is equal to, we can write this statement z1 into z1 bar whole upon z1 bar plus z2 into z2 bar whole upon z2 bar plus up to zn into zn bar whole upon zn bar. These statements we can write this. We have rationalized by complex number and their conjugates. So this one result, you know, mod of z1 whole square plus mod of z2 whole square, mod of z1 whole square upon z1 bar plus mod of z2 whole square whole upon z2 bar plus mod of z3 whole square whole upon z3 bar plus up to mod of zn whole square whole upon zn bar. Now this is our statement. And this result will be 1 because mod of z is 1. So 1 square, 1 square, 1 square result will be. Now result will be 1 upon z1 bar plus 1 upon z2 bar plus 1 upon z3 bar plus up to 1 upon zn bar. Now see. And this whole expression is in mod. Now 1 upon z1 bar in mod, this whole term we can write. This whole term we can write. See, here I am writing this whole term we can write 1 upon z1 plus 1 upon z2 plus 1 upon z3 plus up to 1 upon zn in mod, in a mod and in conjugates, because the conjugate of the sum of n natural number is equal to sum of their conjugates. So this one we can write this. And now you know the formula. Formula is mod of z is equal to mod of z bar. Similarly, this is the complex number and this is in mod of z bar, and this one we can write 1 upon z1 plus 1 upon z2 plus 1 upon z3 plus up to 1 upon zn. Now hence proof. Here I have used the formula. Formula I have used mod of z bar is equal to mod of z and is equal to minus time mod of z. All three values are equal. Here I am writing it. Mod of z bar is equal to mod of minus z is equal to mod of z. So all values are equal. This formula I have used here. So result is 1 upon z1, 1 upon z2 plus 1 upon z3 plus up to plus 1 upon zn in mod. Now hence proof. Hence proof. In this question we have used some formulas related to modulus. Which type of formula I have used? Here, you know, when you have to, or you know, this formula z into z bar is equal to mod of z whole square we have used in first steps. How it comes? By rationalizing. By rationalizing you will get these steps. Then we have to put mod of z whole square, means mod of z whole square result is 1. All values will be mod of z1, mod of z2, mod of z3. All result will be 1 because this is unit. And now this is the condition. This all values are equal. So we can put value, that is 1. So here you will get 1, 1, 1, 1. And now the sum of conjugate of the sum of two complex number is always equal to sum of their conjugates. So you have already discussed this formula. Mod of z1 conjugate of z1 plus z2 is equal to conjugate of z1 plus z2. Similarly, we have used for reciprocal this formula. So conjugate I have used single times. Conjugate I have used single times. Now here you know, in these steps we have used this formula. Because mod of z is equal to mod of minus z is equal to mod of z, or mod of z conjugate bar all values are equal. So this will be equal to this. Now hence proof. This proof is completed. Now see.